After a long time in Taiwan, especially after 2 hours. Oh, good. This is very good, huh?
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life at Sea season number 4. We are en route from Malaysia, headed all the way to Taiwan, a place called Kaohsiung. I'll give you a route overview, but before that, I'll tell you that I am so tired from the last port stay, and I did not feel like vlogging. But the learning lesson from this is that whatever things you like to do also require effort, and are not so easy at times. So anyway, enough of Gyan, let's go. As you all see the globe, we were here in Malaysia yesterday and we have to go northbound. This is the Vietnamese coast, Filipino coast, and this is Taiwan, but a small island, and this is where we are going, Kaohsiung. So it's going to be an interesting route. Let's see what the weather condition is like. So far there is one low pressure developing here, but I hope it passes away once we reach there. And yeah, no major storms, otherwise they would have given a warning, and so far everything looks smooth. Also guys, today we are preparing our tanks for the next port. So Dibala system is going on right now, so I am just emptying 50 tons from here out in through the BWTS system. So we are having a very beautiful phenomena right now. The storm is developing like 300 nautical miles away that side, but because of that all the wind has been sucked in, humidity has increased, and you can see that the water has become calm. This is the calm before the storm, which you've seen in my videos before, and it's happening right now. Luckily we'll be sheltered by Kaohsiung, the Taiwan port, so we are okay. But have a look at these magnificent clouds. You know, everything is gonna go right over there. Oh, the humidity is also increased a lot, and the temperatures have gone high. So yeah, these are the first signs that there is a storm close by. Guys, it's the day of the arrival. You can see the city of Kaohsiung. Spectacular. I'm going to pick up the pilot now. Pilot ladder is ready, and the pilot boat is also coming. I just saw it. There it is, the white boat. Pilot boat approaching, Captain. Yeah guys, going forward now. Loud and clear. Good morning. Are you ready to pick up anchor? Let's pick up.
feel after reaching land after so long? Silka Bridge forward, all headlines on 60% and springs on brake. Okay, Anand, very good job, huh? Very, very good. Let's keep our finger crossed for shore leave.
Hey.
So guys, I'm going with Cadet Sayal to show him how to check the half draft, and Sayal will tell us what the draft will be. Yeah, Sayal? 9.75 it seems, huh? Let's see. So guys, that is the draft, and Sayal, how much is the draft?
Yeah, 9.75.
9.75?
Yeah.
What do you think, guys? Is he right or wrong? Let me know in the comment, huh? So guys, I'm sure you must be curious what this is. This is the substitute for the trucks which bring the containers onto the jetty. So this is, last I saw this was in Europe. Anand, we have shore leave, huh?
Yeah, okay, second.
Okay, so we will go 6 o'clock.
Take off with second.
Before I go to the shore leave, I had like 1 hour remaining. So I thought, why not do the passage planning? Because we have a short port stay. We'll be departing tonight. And the next port, which is tomorrow, is just close by, like I showed you. So I'm going to load the route now, which is Kaohsiung to Xiamen. And we gotta go around 180 nautical miles. So yeah, anyway, I'll show that to you later. So yeah, passage plan will be done, and it will be, at least I'll be at peace mentally that my job is finished, and then I can enjoy the shore leave. I'll go for just 2-3 hours. Guys, believe me, what a beautiful feeling this is to get ready to go out into a port, you know, just like the old school. I think so, but whatever we have, we make the most of it. So this is my new white t-shirt, same merchandise from KSN, so you can check it out in the description. Come, okay, let's go. Let's go. Siddesh is unfortunately not able to come because we've got some main life of seafarer.
I have to do some jobs. Okay,
so
see you, Karan.
Chal, see you.
Have fun.
Okay, that's the life, guys. Work is more important. Well, we have to call the shuttle bus for pickup, so they will arrange for us till the jetty outside, and then we go. Meant to 4 people going, huh? So guys, time to go ashore finally. The shuttle is almost here. Thank you. 10:30, huh? 10:30 we stay here, huh? Okay, thank you. Rahul bhai, excited? After a long time. Rahul is my watchkeeper, as you all have seen. So we are going to meet our cadets now. Let's go. Sahil, hello.
Hello.
How much shopping you already do?
This is my aunt's.
Huh?
Yeah, aunt's.
All food stuff or electronics?
Electronics, sports stuff, everything.
Excellent,
Everything that we can buy.
excellent. Such a crazy electronic shop, guys. Everybody will go crazy here. Beautiful.
Yes.
What you would like to buy today?
My 14 Pro.
14 Pro?
Yes.
Yes. You can find it here or not?
No.
No?
No.
No. No go.
Yes.
Okay.
Check.
You check. Chef, how about you? Huh?
I like to smartwatch.
Smartwatch, huh?
Yeah.
How are you feeling after coming out?
Ah, good.
Very good, huh? Excellent. Anand, good morning.
Good morning.
Jajendra, hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
What all you did 2
I
hours?
bought so many
Buy
things.
some food?
Food item also?
Yeah.
Yes, I bought.
Just some
Nuts.
nuts.
Okay. Anand, what about you?
I need to buy something for my family.
Ah, very good.
Father, mother, my brother.
Excellent.
If something I can find for my grandma, yes.
Even better, huh? Excellent.
Maybe
Okay.
I'll buy something for
All this is my place, huh?
Yeah.
All tripods
tripods,
and mics.
mics.
Excellent. So guys, what we decided was that mall was not so good. So we're going to a bigger mall, which is Dream 11. In between we saw these great passages and you know the streets of Taiwan. I think it's all written in Mandarin. So I'm not taking the risk to eat anything. Thai restaurant. I don't know, that is what? Japanese.
Japanese. That's Japanese.
Japanese, seafood, chai. This is some fast food. And this is Korean. Anand, your call.
I would like to go to Japanese, but
But Korean also interests you?
I know I like sushi. Yeah.
Sushi?
Yeah, I need to.
So Japanese?
Yeah, but if you should.
I will only look at you.
Okay. So what do you want?
Let's go Japanese.
Okay then.
Okay.
Okay, we can go Japanese.
Sal, Gajinder?
I'm vegetarian, so
Oh, vegetarian. No, nothing. All right. Sal, Anand, come this side. I will capture you eating food in Pad Thai, yeah? So finally we managed to come here, yeah?
Yeah, Pad Thai.
Pad Thai.
Okay,
This one. One. Anand,
Yes.
finally.
Grilled squid pad thai.
Chicken pad thai. And I'm having coconut ice cream, huh? The best.
Anticlimactic.
Yes. I'll take. No problem. Thank you. Oh, very good, huh?
Looking good.
Yes. But I will wait for you guys so that,
So that it will melt. Yeah?
yes, 2 hours. Oh,
It's good.
this is very good, huh?
Try the sticky rice.
Oh man. Oh,
It's good. Ah, come on.
life is good.
That's mine.
Come try.
No, it's okay.
You guys are also getting it.
Yeah, maybe
Just take a look at this, huh?
chicken pad thai.
Anand?
Oh my god. That's it. That's a good. Oh my.
Interesting. So Anand, the squid one, right?
I'm trying to learn this.
It's possible.
Yeah.
Try it, Anand. Let's go. Yeah, really? Nice. No. I'm having too good ice cream, man.
It's good, man. So
Yeah?
So good.
Thank you. So guys, back to reality, back to the ship, and the gangway is totally like inclined, man. So much food we had, I don't feel like even going up, but yeah. Anyway, you can see the ship is quite discharged, and we're going to be departing in another 4 hours. It's 12 o'clock, and we are back on the watch. Some ballast operations, and cargo is almost complete, so I'm happy. Let's get out of here, so at least I get some sleep. Yeah, otherwise without sleep you I don't know about you, but I get cranky, so I don't like to be in that phase anyway. So yeah, let's go back on watch. I know I had ice cream, but today the cook made paratha and I cannot stop aloo paratha. So just to bad about the diet, I will walk another 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers. Guys, what a spectacular sunrise. Although I have not slept and the departures got delayed, still a sight like this makes you, you know, really feel good. So blessed to see this. The time exactly is around 5:45. Our departure is at 7, so 1 hour more to go. I'll go to sleep, and today itself is the next port, Xiamen. So yeah, you have to sacrifice a lot to get a shore leave, very honestly speaking. Yes. Guys, we have some fighter jets flying around us. Wow. So guys, I managed to get 4 hours of sleep. We are in the Taiwan Strait now. It is just like a mirror, as you see. What a beautiful day. And yeah, I have rested 4 hours, which is just okay. But yeah, anyway, I'm just going to show you where we are. So we are right in the middle of Taiwan and China. So we have to go here in the next port, which is Xiamen. Having an overtaking situation right now with this bulk carrier. So we are doing 18.2 knots, they are doing 12 knots. So it's my responsibility whenever I'm overtaking to keep clear of him. So I've given a few degrees more to have a wider range, wider gap. But anyhow, this is like a movie screen in front of me. It's so beautiful.